Okay, so we're all taught to be terrified of a stock market crash, right? But what if I told you it could be the single biggest opportunity you'll ever have to build your wealth? Today, we are going to break down exactly how you can profit from one.
Yeah, I know, it sounds completely upside down. But this one idea, it challenges pretty much everything we think we know about the market going down. It's a really bold statement, and honestly, it's the core mindset shift that separates the really savvy investors from, well, everyone else.
Let me ask you a question. Just a simple one. When your favorite store, the one you love, has a huge 30% off sale, do you panic and run away? Of course not. You see it for exactly what it is, an awesome opportunity to buy more of what you love for cheaper.
And this is where things get kind of weird. It's this central paradox of investing. In a regular store, a sale makes us rush in to buy. But when the stock market has its own version of a sale, what do most people do? They panic and do the exact opposite. So why is our logic so completely backwards when it comes to our own money?
Well, the answer comes down to one really powerful and honestly destructive force: emotional selling. This is what happens when fear totally hijacks your brain. It forces you to just abandon your long-term plan and hit the sell button. It is the single biggest reason people lose money. They buy high because of excitement and sell low because of panic.
So, how in the world do we fight this gut instinct? It all starts with a powerful mental reframe. We have to train ourselves, literally train our brains, to see a crash for what it really is: a massive sale on high-quality stuff.
Think about it. All those incredible, innovative companies you wanted to own yesterday, well, suddenly they're available at a huge discount. The business itself hasn't changed overnight, just its price tag. They are, quite simply, on sale.
And that 30%? Yeah, that's not just some random number. Market corrections of 20, 30, even 40% are a regular part of history. It's exactly the same as that clothing store sale, but instead of buying a jacket, you're buying a piece of a great American company for 30 cents less on the dollar.
And look, this isn't just some clever theory or a nice little analogy. There's real proof. History shows us the billion-dollar secret that has been proven over and over and over again.
This right here holds a massive historical truth. The greatest fortunes, they weren't made when the markets were hitting all-time highs and everyone was euphoric. No way. They were forged in the fire of a crash, like after the dot-com bubble burst or during the 2008 financial crisis. These moments of absolute maximum fear are also moments of maximum opportunity. And this is really what it all boils down to. Success in this game isn't about some complex algorithm or being a math genius. It's about having the emotional fortitude, the guts, to stick to your plan and buy when everyone else around you is panic selling. It's about being courageous when others are fearful.
Okay, so we've got the mindset down. Now let's get